This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Teresa Ingram. This beautiful home has been lovingly cared for by its owner. 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full baths with 1,704 square feet, an open floor plan, and high ceilings makes this home such a gem. The fireplace in the family room is large and will definitely keep you warm on cool days. A separate dining room is great for family and friend gatherings during holidays and celebrations. The kitchen has updated appliances and plenty of cabinet space. Soak in the garden/spa tub after a long day at work, or take a quick shower in the updated separate shower. Enjoy the covered patio on pretty days and listen to the birds singing. This home is immaculate and is move-in ready. Enjoy the upcoming holidays in this home. For more information, review the details below.